6:34, where can you check out the science behind movie stunts and get behind the wheel of a solar race car? It's all happening in one place during this weekend's Austin Science and Engineering Festival. News 8 Austin's Heidi Jo Castro joins us live from the Convention Center in downtown Austin. What's so cool about this? It's all hands-on. I love that.
That's right, Todd, and especially if you're feeling tired this morning, we have the perfect start by looking at this exhibit, which will teach us all about energy. It's part of the Trailblazer, which is run by the Texas Alliance for Minorities in Engineering. And Michael here is going to teach us just how all of this works.
Well, good morning, Heidi.
Good morning.
We're actually in front of the energy exhibit. And what this is, it showcases the different kinds of energy in the world. As a matter of fact, we're going to do a demonstration right here. We're going to have you hold this, Heidi.
All right.
And actually crank it. And watch what happens over here. See, the more you crank, the brighter it gets. And actually, you have enough energy to power the fan and the bell.
Oh, wow.
My goodness, I'm going to have you over next time there's a hurricane, okay?
But you know, the interesting thing is it's actually a lot harder to crank when you have all those gadgets on.
That's absolutely the case. As a matter of fact, you have to put more mechanical energy in to get the same amount of electric energy out to power those devices, yes.
See, but this isn't the only kind of energy. We also have some what do you call it? Here, I might cheat sheet.
Alternative energy sources, yes, in addition to the regular energy sources, yes. In fact, that's why we're looking into alternative energy today, because we want it to eventually take the place of fossil fuel energy sources, as a matter of fact. So what are the different kinds of energy sources under alternate are wind and hydroelectric. In fact, anything that you can do to get that generator to turn like you just did is potentially an application for alternative energy sources. And to get this to crank, obviously we can use wind, we can use water. Anything that's moving is a form of mechanical energy. And if we apply that energy to, again, getting this to crank, then guess what we get in return?
We get energy.
We get electrical energy, which is the most useful form of energy. When we flip that switch on in our house and the lights come on, that's electrical energy. That's a friendly form of energy.
You know what gets my lights turned on in the morning? It's coffee. Coffee energy, Todd. That's what I'm an expert about.
Yeah, me too. I'm right there with you. Thanks, Heidi. And News 8's parent company, Time Warner Cable, has its own initiative to get kids excited about science, technology, engineering, and math. You can check out connectamillionminds.com for details.